Hey everyone, welcome back to CouncilCraft. Today we're diving into the big question, will AI take over your job? Let's break it down. AI is already stepping into roles involving routine, repetitive tasks. Picture assembly lines in factories, yep, those robotic arms are doing the heavy lifting now. And in customer service, chatbots are answering questions around the clock. Even in the medical field, AI is making waves. It scans medical records and helps diagnose diseases faster than ever before. And those delivery drones? They're just the beginning of AI changing the job market. But hold on, AI can't do everything. Jobs that need creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking are safe. Teachers guiding students, doctors providing care, artists creating masterpieces, and leaders steering the ship. These roles need that human touch. AI can assist, but it can't replace human imagination and leadership. So how can we work with AI instead of fearing it? Imagine using an AI assistant to brainstorm ideas while you focus on the creative parts. It's like having a super efficient sidekick. Think of AI as a tool, not a threat. To stay ahead, we need to pick up some new skills. Learning AI, coding, problem solving, and adaptability will keep us relevant in the workforce. The future isn't about AI versus humans. It's about AI and humans working together. Adapt or get left behind. How will you prepare for the AI revolution? Hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to CouncilCraft for more insights. See you next time.